Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review, written by one of our valued customers. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're working to try to serve you and our local marketplace. Let us help you with our excellent customer service, backed by our years of experience. We'd love to make you one of our happy customers too. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.